Good afternoon, viewers at home. This is Mathematics with Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall look at a tutorial question on sum. Kindly click the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload the video, you'll be daily notified. Thank you. Now the question is simplify. Example, simplify 1 all over 1 minus root 5 squared minus 1 over 1 plus root 5 squared. Okay, now looking at this question, two things are involved. One, we have two different irrational numbers, and they are conjugate of the one is a conjugate of the other one, and at the same time, if we look at it critically, we say that this number, this sort could be written as difference of two squares. How? That is, we can have it like 1 all over 1 minus root 5 all squared, then minus 1 over 1 plus root 5, all squared. I hope you understand what I did there. I hope you understand. Because the square of 1 is 1, the square of this is just this. So it's covered. So in this case, we can relate it to a squared minus b squared. Are we together? Yes. It's by the division of two squares. Difference of two what? Square. So in this case, it's the same thing as saying that we can say, since we know that a squared minus b squared is what? A minus b into bracket a plus b. I hope you can recall that. So if this is a and this is b, that implies we can now say, if it's a now, a is 1 all over 1 minus root 5, let's say multiply minus b, 1 all over 1 plus root 5, then into bracket 1 all over 1 minus root 5, then plus 1 all over 1 plus root 5. That's just the simplification. Okay, so how do you now go about this? There are ways. It depends on how you want it to be. You could first of all expand this. You expand this, then you multiply the answer. Or you could expand this. You take this one, multiply everything here. You also take this one, multiply everything here, whichever way. So let's suppose we do this. You suppose we have the LCM, and this the LCM of 1 minus root 5 minus 1 over 1 plus root 5 is 1 minus root 5 multiplied by 1 plus root 5. We want to solve this one first. Then 1 minus root 5, cancelling this, we have this one left. 1 plus root 5 multiplied by 1 plus root 5, then minus 1 plus root 5, cancelling 1 plus root 5 here. You have 1 minus root 5 left, multiplied by 1. You have to be careful here. Yes, you have to close it up because you have a minus sign here, so you have to close it up before you put down the value there. So they will give us what? 1 plus root 5, then minus times 1, that's minus 1. Then minus times minus root 5, that's plus root 5. Then everything here all over. Now, you know that without wasting our time, from the knowledge that we've had so far in sort multiplication, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times plus root 5, that's plus root 5. Then minus root 5 times 1, that's minus root 5. Then minus root 5 times plus root 5, that's minus 5, because it's minus root 5 and it's minus root 25, and root 25 is 5. So we have 1 minus 1. This we cancel this. Then plus root 5 plus root 5, that's 2 root 5 all over 1 plus this plus root 5 we cancel minus root 5. This is 1 minus 5, that's minus 4. Okay, so by the time our minus sign goes up, I didn't multiply numerator and numerator by minus 1, so we have minus 2 root 5 all over 4. So and that's what that will be minus root 5 all over 2, because 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Okay, so that is for the parts of this, for this left hand side. Now for the other part, now for 1 over 1 minus root 5 plus 1 over 1 plus root 5. What's the LCM? The LCM is 1 minus root 5 multiplied by 1 plus root 5. So 1 minus root 5, cancelling this. This one in this is 1, meaning this. So 1 plus root 5 times 1. 1 plus root 5. Plus rather. 1 plus root 5, cancelling 1 plus root 5. You have 1 minus root 5 left. Multiplied by 1, you have 1 minus root 5. So that will give us what? That will give us 1 plus 1 is 2 plus root 5 minus root 5. Cancelling. This will cancel this. So we have 2 all over. Now 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times plus root 5 is plus root 5. Minus root 5 times 1, that's minus root 5. Minus root 5 times plus root 5, that's minus root 25, which is minus 5. So this will be what? 2 all over. Now, this will cancel this. Plus root 5 will cancel minus root 5. So that's 1 minus 5 is left. That's minus 4. So that will be what? Minus 1 all over 2. Because we multiply both by minus 1. This minus will go here. Minus times plus is minus. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. 2 in 4, 2. So we now have what? We now have, let's clean it up here. Let's clean it up here. So that we still leave that one behind. So for this side, we got this. We got minus root 5 over 2. For this other side, we got minus 1 over 2. Now multiplying the two, therefore minus root 5 now all over 2 times minus 1 all over 2. So that will give us minus times minus is plus. Root 5 times 1, that's root 5. All over 2 times 2, that is 4. So that is that for that. So I hope you understood it. So don't hesitate to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button at all times. Thanks for watching. God bless you.